Alright, so this is how to use Collage to get your laptop to show up on your ClearTouch board. First things first, you're going to make sure that you have the Collage app. If it's not already down here in your taskbar, a simple quick search will bring it up so that you can find it and either launch it directly or add it to your start menu, which is this menu of apps that are here, or pin it to your taskbar so it shows up down here and is easier for you to find. Now I'm going to click on Collage to launch. Once it's pulled up, it's going to ask me for the code. That code lives on the top of my screen and rarely changes, although it can change depending on what you've done. Usually it's from resetting the network, something like that. Anyways, you'll use the code. It will connect. And then you have basically two options, screen share and desktop sync. Notice the little picture shows screen share with your laptop pushing its image up to the screen, where the desktop sync, it's the other way around. So this is the one I want to do to be able to put my laptop up on the ClearTouch. I'll simply click Start. It's going to give me options as to how I want to share this. I typically choose desktop. That way exactly what's here is exactly what is on my main screen. I can choose extend, so if I want my laptop to have one piece of the screen and for the ClearTouch to act like a second monitor that has the other half of my screen, that's great if I want to keep something for me here but then drag over something for students to use and they see that but they don't see what's on my laptop. Or I can just do individual windows where this will be the only thing that students see is whatever one thing I click on, and no matter what else I do, it won't show until I change the mirroring setup. So for simplicity, I go with desktop and then choose mirror. Notice it gave me a little message that says, waiting for the receiver to accept. On my screen, for the ClearTouch, there is one that says Mr. Pugh laptop and has accept or reject. I'm going to accept it. When I'm on here, I have a couple things I want to make sure I can do. On my laptop, I'm going to go up to mirroring, and then when I hover over mirroring, I have a few options. The one I'm going to pay close attention to right now is this one for touch. If it has a blue check mark instead of a red X, it means that I have touch control coming from my board. That means that not only can I use my mouse here to control my laptop, I can use the touch screen on my laptop, but because of that touch being activated, I can go to the touchscreen part of the ClearTouch board and then control my laptop from there remotely. Additionally, when I'm done sharing my screen, I'll come up here back to mirroring and choose close. Now, if I have touch done, I can do it from either laptop or from the ClearTouch screen, but I can always do it from the laptop. Once I close, I'm back here, and if I want to completely disconnect from the board, this little kind of paperclip looking one here lets me disconnect. And that's using a ClearTouch with your laptop using the Collage app. If you have questions about this or other instructional technology, please reach out to us individually or through our instructional technology email, instructionaltechnology@cmcss.net.